So these are the ingredients. Stay tuned, let's cook. So guys, these are my concubas. I bought those beautiful concubas in the market. So let me do my introduction. If you're new to this channel, guys, you're highly welcome. It's me, your baby girl, Francis for why. In this video, we are going to prepare a little food for the family to eat. You know me, I love to cook. Yeah, just to enjoy myself. So these are the ingredients I bought from the market. If you're a returning subscriber, you guys are the best. Stay tuned. Please, guys, watch this video to the end and see what I'm going to prepare. And in this video, Cindy, my younger sister, is going to help me to cook. So stay tuned as you're going to enjoy. These are my ingredients. I bought eggs, I bought carrot, macaroni, sausage, pepper, onion, chicken. I bought one chicken leg. Yeah, one chicken leg because I said that's one. It's for me. I'm not going to give anybody, but you know, you can't eat any food alone. So we've washed our chicken, cleaned it, and we are now seasoning it. And guess who is doing this? Is my younger sister Cindy is the one mixing this chicken like this. Oh, this girl is growing up to be a good cook. So we are seasoning all the chicken. Yes, she's putting all these things. Okay, I'm putting it for her to mix. Yeah, you see her hand? This is Cindy. So she loves to help whenever I'm in the kitchen. So we are putting every ingredient, black pepper, white pepper. Uh, we grain our garlic and season cube, our Maggi cube. Also, we put it so because we want the sweetness to enter right inside the bone. So I said, Cindy, mix. So Cindy was just mixing. This is what she loves to do, guys. And after that, we were just adding different type of seasonings, guys. We were just adding different kind of seasonings. So stay tuned as I don't want to talk too much in this video. She's saying hello to you guys and she was very happy. It's been a while we did this video, but I said okay, let me do something this morning. Let's just post it. I have so many videos, guys. Stay tuned. Let's enjoy the rest of the video, okay? These are the sausage, onion, and I boil my macaroni. Yeah, these are the things. So guys, stay tuned. Just enjoy the video.